In response to fertilization, the adopted seed coat differentiated from the cells of the maternally dried ovules integuments over 2 to 3 weeks. Cells in both layer of the outer integuments and 3 layers of the inner integuments undergo a dramatic period of growth. The first day after fertilization through the both cell division expansion, the resulting 5 cell layer undergo 1/4 distinct phase. Cell innermost layer derived from the ovules is the endothelium. पहली जो लेयर है innermost layer derived from the ovules endothelium synthesize किसको करेगी proanthocyanidins flavonoid compounds also known as condensed tannin. ठीक है, which accumulates in the central vacuoles of the endothelial cells during the first week after fertilization and later become oxidized imprint किसको करेगा brown color of to the differentiated cells and the whole seed coat. ठीक है, जिसकी वजह से सीड कोट कैसा कलर का हो जाएगा ब्राउन कलर का. by the contrast cell and other two inner integument layers not appear to differentiate further undergo क्या जाएंगे प्रोग्राम सेल डेथ के अंदर and crushed as the seed develops. ठीक है, cells of the both outer इंटीग्यूमेंट्स लेयर एक्यूमुलेट आउटर जो इंटीग्यूमेंट की लेयर्स है वो किसको एक्यूमुलेट करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे स्टार्च को इन द अमाइलोप्लास्ट ड्यूरिंग इनिशियल ग्रोथ फेज बिफोर देयर फेट डाइवर्स द सब एपिडर्मल लेयर्स जो सब एपिडर्मल लेयर है विच डिफरेंशिएट एंड फैसिलिटेट सेल्स produce thick wall of the inner tangential side of the. ठीक है, the cell of epidermis layer synthesize and secrete large quantity of the mucilage. ठीक है, किसको करेगी जो एपिडर्मिस लेयर है वो किसको एक्यूमुलेट करेगी लार्ज क्वांटिटी के अंदर सीक्रेट करेगी किसको म्यूसिलेज को. स्पेशलाइज्ड सेकेंडरी सेल वॉल कंटेन सम proteins into the apoplast specifically at the junction of the outer integument and radial cell wall. Hydrated mucus appear to provide moist environment for the seed germination and the protection of the from the chemicals that may present in the animal gut. In addition, secondary cell walls outer two layers provide protection for the embryo. The outer two layer है वो क्या करेंगे प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करेंगे फॉर द एम्ब्रियो एंड टैनिन कैन बी टॉक्सिक टू इंट्रोड्यूस following mucilage synthesis cellulosic secondary cell wall deposit that completely fill the space occupied by the cytoplasm column forming a columella. During the later stage of the seed development the cell remaining seed coat layers die. The structure of the epidermis cell is preserved by columella and the remaining layer are the crushed. Remaining layers वो क्या हो जाएंगे crushed हो जाएंगे by the end of the seed maturation. Proanthocyanidin apparently released from the endothelium and important the inner layer cell during this period. ठीक है, अब देखेंगे हम सीड कोट को रेगुलेट कैसे किया जाता है बाय द एंडोस्पर्म. सीड कोट ग्रोथ एंड डिफरेंशिएटेड आर इनेटेड बाय द फर्टिलाइज्ड एंड नॉर्मली प्रोड्यूस कोऑर्डिनेटेड विद डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द एम्ब्रियो एंड एंडोस्पर्म. Because the seed coat surrounded the seeds, its growth surface area must be coordinated with the growth of embryo and the endosperm. For the seed to reach their mature size if the seed coat fail to expand, seed size is reduced. सीड का साइज क्या हो जाएगा? रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ट्रांसपेरेंट टेस्टा बर्सा ब्रा2 gene has positively regulate the proanthocyanidin by synthesis as cell where seed coat expand. As result, loss of function of the TTG2 mutate expand small seed and preserved presumably because the embryo and endosperm are mechanically constrained by the seed coat during development. ठीक है, ये एक जीन है जिसके फंक्शन की वजह से क्या होगी, इन दोनों की डेवलपमेंट है वो अफेक्टेड होगी. कंजर्वली म्यूटेशन in the HAIQ genes result in the limited of the congeneric endosperm. This defect endosperm grow after growth also affect the developing seed coat such as the cell elongation in the expanding seed coat is restricted. ठीक है, this suggests that growing endosperm regulated extension to which ovule integument cells elongate following the initiation seed coat development. ठीक है, इसके बाद चलते हैं. as noted earlier, embryogenesis is blocked by the FIS mutant. ठीक है, yet endosperm and seed coat development progress more or less normally. The signal from the sinusoidal endosperm appear to be sufficient initiate the seed coat development. Seed coat development and consistent idea, no significant growth of the seed coat occurs seed which only egg cell is fertilized, and seed coat development is strongly inhibited in seed which the endosperm has been experimentally destroyed. अगर हम सीड कोट डेवलपमेंट को स्ट्रांगली इनहेबिट कर देते इन सीड विच एंडोस्पर्म हैज बीन क्रशली एक्सपेरिमेंटली डिस्ट्रॉय किया हो हमने. इसके बाद पढ़ते हैं सीड मैच्योरेशन को. Thus far we discuss seed heterodifferentiation and reserve deposition, the final phase of seed development termed as the maturation. For many species, maturation include acquisition of desiccants tolerance. This is involved in the evaporate loss of the water to produce dry seeds. ठीक है, वाटर को लॉस कर दिया जाएगा. प्री एग्जिस्टिंग एक्विसेंट स्टेट precede germination in many species is correlated by seeds correlate कर दी जाती है with seed longevity, the ability of the seed to remain viable in dry state over a long time period of time. In term, the orthodox seed has been used to denote those seed that can tolerate desiccants or trouble in dry state variable period depending upon the species. The world champion orthodox seed 2000 years. ये किसके अंदर? डेट प्लाम के अंदर है. इसके बाद पढ़ते हैं इन कॉन्ट्रास्ट certain seed are those that are released from the plant with the relatively high water content, active metabolism, unlike orthodox seed. फिर हमारे पास सीड फिलिंग एंड डेसिकेशन टॉलरेशन फेज ओवरलैप इन मोस्ट स्पीशीज. द टाइमिंग of the desiccation tolerance and seed longevity is in the relation to the attainment of the mature size and seed dispersal varies across species. For most species, equalization of the desiccation tolerance occurs during the seed filling. Subsequently, During late maturation, seed progressively acquire longevity and the ability to remain alive in dry state for prolonged period of the time. For example, 4 stages of the seed growth and development. Late maturation for the seed showing the embryogenesis. एम्ब्रोजेनेसिस के अंदर क्या होगा? हिस्टो डिफरेंशिएशन. ये कितने दिन के अंदर होगा? 10 दिन के अंदर होगा. स्टिमुलेट द वाटर कंटेंट ऑफ द सीड. डिक्लाइन होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. द एक्वाइजेशन ऑफ द स्टेशनरी एक्वाइजेशन ऑफ डेसिकेशन टॉलरेंस बिगिन अप्रॉक्सीमेट 24 डेज आफ्टर पॉलिनेशन. ये हमारे पास है. सबसे पहले क्या होगा? सीड की एम्ब्रोजेनेसिस होगी सबसे पहले, तो फिर की सीड फिलिंग होगी. सीड फिलिंग के अंदर क्या होगा? ये ग्राफ किस चीज का? The acquisition of desiccant tolerance involve many metabolic pathways. For orthodox seed desiccation involve more than just the physical drying of the seed. It associated with the distinct pattern of gene expression and metabolism that are affected the multiple physiological processes, including dormancy, after ripening, and germination. During the mid-late embryogenesis, orthodox seeds किसका secretion start कर देंगे? एब्सिसिक एसिड का कंटेंट हाईएस्ट. द मल्टीपल मेटाबॉलिक प्रोसेस आर एक्टिवेटेड दैट कंट्रीब्यूट टू द एक्वाइजिशन ऑफ डेसिकेशन टॉलरेंस. इन एरोडोप्सिस एक्सप्रेशन पैटर्न मोर देन 690 genes approximately 1/3 of the genome changed during this period. The main metabolic pathways are activated or consequently include. इसके अंदर क्या होंगे? एक्लिमेटाइजेशन ऑफ द डाइसैक्राइड्स एंड ओलिगोसैक्राइड्स का होगा. सिंथेसिस ऑफ द स्टोरेज प्रोटीन्स. सिंथेसिस ऑफ द लेट एम्ब्रोजेनेस अबंडेंट प्रोटीन्स. सिंथेसिस ऑफ द स्मॉल हीट शॉक प्रोटीन्स. एक्टिवेशन ऑफ द एंटीऑक्सीडेंट डिफेंस. Change in the physical structure of the cell. Gradual increase the cell density. ठीक है, ये सारे इवेंट होंगे इसके अंदर, ये सारे पाथवेज होंगे. During acquisition of desiccant tolerance, the cells of the embryo acquire glassy state. Desiccants severely damage membrane and other cellular constituents. Mature seed have with the water potential कितना होता है? -352 and -50 megapascal. As seed begin to dehydrate, embryo acclimates sugar and specific set of protein. The group of molecules are not interact to protein due to glassy state. In general, a glass defined as the amorphous and metastable state that resemble to a solid or brittle material but retain the disorder and physical properties of the liquid state. ठीक है. Biologically, glasses are highly viscous liquids with very slow molecular diffusion rate and therefore cannot participate only in the limited chemical reaction because the non-reducing sugar such as sucrose, raffinose, stacculose accumulate during later stage of the seed maturation. It was initially assumed they are primary. They assumed were primary responsible for cellular glass formation. However, the physical properties of sugar glasses significantly different from those desiccated embryo. This lead to the hypothesis लिया प्रोटीन्स. इसके बाद पढ़ेंगे हम लिया प्रोटीन्स के बारे में. हमने क्या पढ़ा कि सीड के अंदर क्या क्या चेंज होगा, एब्सिसिक एसिड का सीक्रेशन होगा। फिर क्या होगा, सिंथेसिस ऑफ द ओलिगोसैकेराइड्स, सिंथेसिस ऑफ द स्मॉल हीट शॉक प्रोटीन, एक्लिमेटेशन ऑफ द activation of the antioxidant defense, change in the physical structure of the cell, gradual increase the cell density. फिर लिया protein and non-reducing sugar has been implicated seed desiccation tolerance. लिया प्रोटीन आर द स्मॉल हाइड्रोफिलिक होते हैं, लार्जली डिसऑर्डर एंड क्या होते हैं, थर्मोस्टेबल प्रोटीन होते हैं दैट आर सिंथेसाइज्ड इन ऑर्थोडॉक्स सीड ड्यूरिंग मिड टू late maturation and vegetative tissue in the response to the osmotic stress. They are through a range of the protective function against the desiccation with different efficiencies including ion binding, antioxidant activity, hydration, buffering and the membrane protein stabilization. Since लिया प्रोटीन was first described early 1980, इसको डिस्क्राइब किया गया था किसके अंदर, वो भी कॉटन के सीड के अंदर. Related protein had identified in the seeds, pollen grains and other plant species as well in the bacteria. बैक्टीरिया के अंदर भी इसको डिफाइन किया गया, साइनोबैक्टीरिया के अंदर, and some invertebrates. The लिया protein have been shown to increase the osmotolerance. ये किसको शो करते हैं, ऑस्मोटोलरेंस को, इन द ट्रांसजेनिक ईस्ट. टू सर्वाइव एक्सट्रीम desiccation has been linked to acclimatization of लिया protein. In addition, लिया protein may play a role in the response to the freezing and salinity stress, both which involve in the cellular dehydration. ठीक है. Most लिया protein show the biased amino acid composition and resulting high hydrophilic. They are related to group of the called dehydrins. How a distinguished feature of dehydrin in their high glycine content, and since not लिया proteins have these properties, dehydrins and related proteins are considered subset of लिया protein family, which are comprised into 9 groups. Key feature of the लिया protein, their ability to form hydrogen bond with the sucrose. Since sugars accumulate during seed maturation, through लिया protein interact with the sucrose and other disaccharides and oligosaccharides from the glassy state liquid in their desiccation and tolerance. Specific लिया proteins have there been identified in the desiccant tolerance in Medico trunculata. Consider the लिया proteins are the heterologous classes of protein. Acquire the question whether there are specific लिया protein involved in determining the formation of the glassy state in dehydrated cells remain to be addressed. Using the proteomic approach, researchers have been identified subset of लिया proteins, Medico trunculata, that correlate with survival of the dry state, making them possible candidate to stabilize the glassy states. ठीक है, इसको किसके लिया, पॉलीपेप्टाइड को लिया, detached to the mature seed, some such that accumulate specifically during the acquisition of desiccant tolerance, while the different subset accumulate during acquisition seed longevity. In adults, liya protein is recalculation and orthodox seed compared with to determine whether एनी ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेस ऑर्थोडॉक्स सीड वेयर एब्सेंट। ठीक है, पहला जीन आता है इसका ABI। ठीक है, ये भी एक लिया प्रोटीन ही है। फिर आता है एब्सिसिक रोल, एसिड का रोल। ABA जीन है, ABI है। द सिंथेसिस ऑफ लिया प्रोटीन, लिया प्रोटीन, स्टोरेज प्रोटीन एंड लिपिड promoted by ABA show the physiological and genetic studies cultured of embryonic and many species. ABA deficient mutants fail to acclimate these Lia protein. For more synthesis of some Lia proteins, related family members can be induced vegetative tissue by ABA treatment. These Lia result suggests that synthesis of many Lia proteins under ABA control during seed maturation. As we discussed, ABA change in the cellular metabolism by activation either directly or indirectly network through the transcription factor. In particular, ABI3 include a synthesis of storage proteins and Lia protein through interaction with BGIP. BGIP क्या है? ट्रांसक्रिप्शन फैक्टर है, such as ABI3. Analysis of gene regulation tree network sheet show that ABI gene occupies central position in regulation of network and highly connected to Lia desiccation intolerance. Thus ABI3 and ABI5 along with several other genes component seed specific ABA signaling pathway that regulates survival and dry state. ये था हमारा सीड का डेवलपमेंट। सीड एंड मैच्योरेशन के अंदर क्या आता है हमारे पास? लिया प्रोटीन्स का मेन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है। और सीड के अंदर क्या चेंज होगा? ओव्यूल्स ही सीड के अंदर चेंज होगा।